Welcome back to Amazing Kitchen. Today we're doing turkey. It's holiday season again. We have Thanksgiving, we have Christmas coming up. So here we go. This beautiful bird is 9 kilograms. Can you believe what size this is? This can feed a village. This is so huge. Okay, let's start by marinating this so that it's ready for baking. Now let's put this aside. Let's see what we have. All right. We have a few sticks of butter. Now we got our butter all melted and ready to go. We just get some salt and sprinkle it over the top. Need some fresh grounded black pepper. All right, and then we have some garlic. We simply smash it and chop it up. So we finally chop our garlic. Okay, so this is good. And we add this, the butter, and what else? We have some parsley. Okay, I'll just put the stems with it also, because this will add a lot of nice flavor. All right, now that's ready. We can add this to our butter. Okay, everything is in. Now let's mix this all up. So now once you mix this well together, then we have one final ingredient to add to this. Now let's add one more ingredient. Our lemon. We add the juice of one lemon. So we got all the seeds out, and we'll get some of that zest in it also. Some of that lemon zest. It's nice and aromatic. Great, we got all that zest in it. So now we can mix all of this. Wow, the lemon juice is adding a lot of refreshing flavor to this. Wow, this is smelling great. I can smell the zest in it and the flavor of the parsley. Oh yes, it's all in. All right, now our butter is ready. We bring our bird back and we can start rubbing this on our bird. All right, for this. So we'll try to open up the skin under the bird. Push it a little bit. But we don't want it to completely go through because we want the butter to hold under our skin. So right down to the leg area, the wing area also, you know, it's all clear. Now we get some of this butter and we rub it in. We just stuff it under the skin like this. Get some more of that niceness, and then we just spread it this way. Nice. More. We spread it down to the leg area also. Don't worry, the butter may look like a lot, but once this is cooked, a lot of that will come right back out. It'll just simply keep our bird moist and flavorful. Now that is good. Now we get the rest over the bird. We'll flip this bird around. Let's rub it on this side, on the bottom side, between the leg area. Maybe some inside also, why not? And we get some under the skin, right there by the breast also. Now we'll bring that salt back because we need to season the inside also with some salt. Just 2 spoons. Good stuff. Now let's give this a good rub. We just spread the salt and the pepper on the inside, and then we're not going to keep the cavity empty. We will fill it with some ingredients. All right, we have apples here. So we'll cut the apples in half. So into quarters now. So we just remove the seed area. Alright, now we have our apple aside. We'll put the lemons back in also. And I also have some onion. So we simply take the onion and we cut them in half. Maybe in quarters. Alright, now we'll stuff this in our bird. We'll just put maybe 1 lemon, 2 apples, 2 green ones, 2 more onions and lemon. Get the onions in it also. We fill this cavity. So once the bird is ready, everything will be nice and softened, and we'll use this for our sauce. So now this bird is ready. Okay, this is something I like to do. I like to turn the breast side down. So I'll flip this bird upside down. I have the bone side facing up. Oops, apple fell out. In this way, all this butter, all this excess fat will leak down and it will keep our breast nice and moist. Okay, so my oven is warmed already. Now let's put this in. We put this bird to the lowest rack. Look at the beautiful turkey. I mean, it's coming together nicely. So it's been an hour into it. Now we take it out and we simply baste it a little. All this grease will keep everything moist and nice. So this is just 1 hour into it. So we have a lot more to go. Alright, now when we baste this, now let's put this back in for another hour. Then we take it out and we repeat the same process. Alright, now let's continue to baste this. This is the second time I'm taking it out. Ooh, it's coming together very nicely. Okay, as you saw, I flipped the turkey, and now what we'll do is, for the final process, we'll give it some color now. Alright, now let's put this back in. Alright, our turkey is ready. Now let's transfer it to our cooling plate. So here we go, we got our turkey. It's looking beautiful. Now let's let this cool, and then we take the stuffings out and then we'll make our gravy with it. Alright, now our turkey has cooled nicely. So what we need to do is remove the stuffings. Alright, everything is nice and soft already. Look at the onion, apples. Yes, everything is looking great. Alright, we put that aside. We got some garlic, a few cloves. Now this is for our gravy. Very tasty. Alright, now that is done. Alright, now we get ourselves our blender. Then we add all this solid in it. Now we add a can of chicken broth. Now the broth is in. Add a little more salt, some black pepper, a dash of thyme, and some rosemary for more added flavor. Now everything is ready. We cap this off and we simply blend this. Alright, we put it on our blender. Alright, now this is all ready. We simply pour this mix into our skillet, and now we bring this up to a boil and help release some of that flavor. Alright, our sauce is looking great. It's reduced nicely and is just thickening. So we can turn off the heat. There we go. Alright, we'll pour our sauce in our container. Now we can serve this with our perfectly cooked turkey. Okay, our turkey is ready, our gravy is ready. Now what's left is cut into it. Enjoy this with your friends and family. This beautiful bird is a delight for your holiday season, whether you're gonna have it for Thanksgiving or Christmas Day. Either way, it's great. Okay, don't forget to subscribe if you like this video, and remember to check out our other playlists, especially our kitchen tours. Bon appetit! Stay tuned for upcoming episode that is going to be all about cooking oil. Until next time, bye now.